Okay folks, this is Alex Yard from All Things Geek with my first Loot Anime crate. Let's take a look inside. This is my official unboxing. As you can see, the seal has not been opened yet. Very excited to see what the Loot Anime crate has in store from Loot Crate. And it's Duel. Duel is the theme this month, and of course you get this very cool, wow, look at that, wow, that's awesome. Okay, very cool Ultraman shirt. Take a look at that, very nice quality. Gildan, pre-washed excellence, as you always get. Wow, take a look at this Ace Attorney. Briefcase. Very nice. You can put your business cards, I believe it's a business card holder, which I think is pretty cool. Pretty clever, actually. You can close it. Little clasps here. This is the coolest thing. Put your business cards in. Okay, figure that one out, right? Okay, yeah, it's like an actual briefcase. That is pretty cool. Super Fight, the anime deck. Okay. So these are all anime characters, kind of like a Pokemon deck with all these different anime series, I believe. Super Fight and Anime Deck 2. So if you guys are familiar with that, you're probably more familiar with that than I am. But let's take a look at what we got here. Okay. Oh, cool. So it's like this, I don't know, is it Crimes or Cards Against Humanity, but anime style? Who knows? But it looks pretty cool. I don't know what the rules are. It looks like something that I would love to learn how to play, though, and maybe people are more familiar with it than I am, but I think that's pretty awesome. I always love new things. Yu-Gi-Oh! Socks. Well, that's something. I always love to get the high quality Loot Crate wearable stuff. And here's some Yu-Gi-Oh! Socks. People are fans of that. And Yu-Gi-Oh! Awesome. Sweet lid. Wow, that's awesome. Very cool. JoJo's Bizarre Adventures cap. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay. If you're noticing that Floki horn up there, that was from this, the main box this month, which the theme was Quest. We have this awesome poster here. Oh, sweet. Nice. Very cool. Anime poster. And always, oh, what do you got here? Nice little phone fob. You can add to your little phone. You know, it's a very, very Japanese thing, have a little phone fob thing. Very cool. The versus thing. That's awesome. And you know, you have your box that you can transform. In Loot Crate, they really do it up with style. Okay, let's see how quickly I can do this. Let's see, that goes there. Yeah. No little guide this time. Well, I don't know if they come with it or not. I mean, folks that usually get anime, if you get anime crates, you probably know better than I, saying this is my first, but I like the main book has that little thing there. There's Duel. You have your sweet little card holder. Super Anime Fight. With Yu-Gi-Oh! Socks. You got your sweet lid. And you got your shirt that I'm going to wear right now. So folks, this is the contents of the anime crate. The theme was Duel, and I think that they did a great job this month. They always do a great job, but this is exceptional. So this is Alex Yard signing off. See you soon, and once I have more to share, I will share it with you. All right? Take care, be well. So long.